Rising Star Meditation. On your left side, raise your palm all the way up and press your palm against the center of your chest, over your heart space. And with your right arm, raise it all the way up and bring your index finger to point. So extending your hand all the way up above your head, and then shift your arm out just about 6 inches so that you're at a 60-degree angle. From here, breathe deeply. Inhale for a count of 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. And then through the nose, exhale 2, 3, 4. The way to really tap into this meditation, to be your own guide, to be your own true north, is to make sure that your breath is hitting the navel center. So as you inhale, feel your diaphragm expanding. Fill up, full of prana, full of energy. And as you exhale, bring your belly button towards the spine. Offer a slight contraction and then inhale and expand again. And as you touch the breath to the navel center, we're starting again to tap into this area of balancing and integrating conscious and subconscious mind. A very powerful impact. Think about your finger pointing to a goal that you have in the future, a future state that you want to achieve, an experience that you want to be a part of, and create all of those intentions right here and right now. Remember to put a hint of a smile to your face. Relax your jaw. Concentrate best you can. So here's a Yogi Pro Tip. You can lower your hand if it's feeling a little pain or discomfort, but know that it becomes much harder to keep it up once you do that. So unless something is really painful, the idea is to keep your arm in place, to move through what is on the surface uncomfortable, painful, awkward, and allow yourself to find the joy in it, to find the thrill of it, to challenge yourself to be in it, because it's coming to an end very soon. Last minute here. Three, 2, and 1. Inhale very deeply. Stretch your arm out, make that angle very crisp. And now exhale, draw everything back and bring your palms together at the center of your chest. Stay for a moment, letting all of the energy of today's practices, the mantras, the breath work, the movement, the stillness come all together to offer you an experience of feeling more integrated, your whole self, present, secure, grounded, clear. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. We close now with a long Sat, short Nam, Truth is my name. We chant 3 times in the sacred language of Gurmukhi. Keep a tall, straight spine. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. Sat Nam.